Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna film a speed review, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you're curious about this eye look, I film it. It should be already live on Instagram and I will link it down below. Okay, so if you are curious about my first speed review, I will link that video down below. I am planning to accumulate some products and then film one of these videos. I think it's a lot of fun and it's just a very useful video in my opinion. So I have mainly makeup in here, but I have some skincare products and some hair products as well. So let's start with the skincare and hair care and we are gonna end with the makeup products. So for skincare I have only two products and they are both from Paula's Choice, and I have first this one and they are both minis, and this one is the clear from the clear line and is the Pore Normalizing cleanser, and this is for blemish prone skin. I actually bought this because I wanted free shipping, but I'm happy that I tested this product. It's not my favorite. I prefer the Cerave Exfoliating cleanser. I don't remember how that is called, but it's the one in the blue tube, and I prefer that one because this is pretty expensive and I just prefer that one. I can only use this one for my face, so I can't put it around my eyes because it's really stinging. I don't like the experience, so it's similar to that one from Cerave and I just prefer that one, so that's the reason I'm not in love with this one. But I think overall it's a good cleanser. I just prefer the Cerave one. And then I finally tested this liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice, and this is 30 ml, so again it's in a smaller bottle, and I'm very happy that I tested this one in a travel size because it's not my favorite kind of product because it's too strong. I feel like this product is really great, it's working really well, but it's too strong for my skin. It says in here that you can use it once or twice daily. I think I could use it once a week and it's good for me. And if I'm using it more than one time per week, this is exfoliating my skin too badly, so my skin is just flaking a bit. So overall I consider this a very great product. If you have blemish prone skin, this will be great for you, but I don't have that type of skin, so this is a bit too strong for me. I will use it up and see then what I think about it, but I'm pretty sure that this is too strong for me. Let's move into some hair products, and I bought two products from Igk. The first one is the Igk Beach Club, and this is a volumizing texturizing spray, and I bought this one in a mini because they didn't have any full size. I adore this product. I was planning in my head to buy some hair extensions because I always feel like my hair is not that great because I have oily hair and it gets oily very easily, and I have very straight hair. This is my natural hair, it's not straightened or something like that, and it's not very long, so I was planning to buy hair extensions, but after trying this product I feel like today my hair is not the best, but I feel like using a volumizing texturizing spray like this one, I could make my hair more voluminous and more bouncy. I really enjoy this spray. It's really great and I really love the effect, so I don't think I want to buy hair extensions anymore, so I'm very happy. And then the other Igk product that I bought is the Direct Flight is the name of the product, and this one is a Multitasking Matcha Dry Shampoo, and this one is a medium cleanse level texturizing volumizing style extender. With this one I'm not very impressed. I feel like this wants to be too many things. It's technically a dry shampoo, but it's as well a volumizing and texturizing spray. It misses the mark just a tiny bit. I much prefer this one for volumizing and texturizing and all of that stuff. It says in here that it's a medium cleanse, but I feel like it's a light cleanse at most. And the volumizing texturizing thing, it's okay, but this should be a dry shampoo and I'm quite disappointed. And I have this one in a bigger bottle and this one is in a smaller bottle, but that's life. I much prefer the Batiste dry shampoos over this one. Even though this one, it doesn't leave any cast, I just would have like for this one to be a stronger dry shampoo. Okay, let's move into some makeup right now, and I repurchased the Lift and Snatch from NYX. I had this product last year, but I bought it in a black, so it was so dark, it wasn't working for me. So I decided to repurchase it, and this one is ash brown. Right now I'm loving the bushy brows even more than last year, so I hoped this product will give me that effect. The color is way better. I love the color a lot more. I will use it more. For some reason I want to fall in love with this product. I have no idea why, but I will use it more. Maybe I will learn how to use it better, but still not for me. The product is just amazing. It's just not the type of product for me. Then from NYX as well, I bought the Epic Wear liner stick, and this is the shade Peach Black. And I bought this one because I have in my project pen a black pencil, and after that one is done, I don't have any other. So I wanted to test another formula, and this one is really great. I really like it and I really recommend it. They have a lot of shades, but I only wanted the black for now, and I really enjoy it. And then a random product that I want to talk about because it's still makeup related. This is the Duo lash glue, but it's the one with the green writing on it, and it has a brush. I really like this one. It takes around 30 seconds to get tacky. The one that I have from Sephora, which is great as well, that one takes just a bit longer. I need to wait like around 1 minute for that one to get tacky. So this one is a bit faster. I really like it. Then let's talk about the two LYS products that I tested. I have in here the pressed powder, and this is the shade Resilience, and it's called the Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder. And this is just wonderful. I really like the product. I don't adore that this is a triangle. I would have preferred just a normal pen, but it's pretty cute, and if I'm gonna finish it up, I will just repress it in the middle in here. But the powder itself is just so stunning. If you have very oily skin, this will for sure not be for you. But if you have very dry skin, I think this will be a dream, because it's very lightweight and very beautiful on the skin. If you have very dry skin and then you are using a very glowy foundation, but you still want to mattify some parts of your face, maybe the T-zone, this is just wonderful for that. This with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin are just a very stunning combo. So I really like this powder. And then I have the blush in here, and this is the shade Confident. Just another really great product. I really enjoy it. I want to film a cream blush battle, and I want to buy more cream blushes. This one is really great. It's very easy to apply. You can apply it on top of powder. It's still okay. Very creamy, very easy to blend out. It's very great. It's just a beautiful color. I really like this product. Then I want to talk about this Vieve Skin Nova, and this one is a primer. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't expect to love this product for some reason. I don't know why, but this is lovely. I really like it. I think the name is very spot on. It's called Instant Radiance Primer. So I feel like that description is just perfect for it. It's really lovely. I really like it, and foundations are spreading on top really easily. I really like it. It looks really great on the skin. And then I have this lipstick. If you didn't see the Get Ready With Me, where I tested a lot of these products, I will link it down below, and actually I will link down below a lot of videos related to this product. But I tested this Nars Satin yada. It's a bullet lipstick, and it's the very known color Orgasm. It looks like this. I hate it. The color is just lovely, but it looks so ugly on the lips. I really don't like it. For some reason, I can't stand it. The packaging is so stunning, and it has a strong closure as well. I'm pretty sad that I don't like this product, but it looks so ugly on the lips in my opinion, and yeah, I don't like it. Then let's move into some palettes, because I did test a lot of palettes. First one, I have the Gal on the Moon from GlossGods, and it looks kind of like this. GlossGods is a Swedish indie brand, and this is a 12 pan palette with only special shades. This is not a very expensive palette, so if you want only some special shades, this is really great. And they have another one that's a lot more wearable with more nudes and pinks and colors like that. So if you don't like this one with green and blue, they have another one. Even though not all of them are created equally, so I could say that some of them are not really that impressive. Overall, I really like the palette. Then I have the Hela palette, and this one is Oden and Angelica, and it looks something like this. This palette is so lovely. I really enjoy the formula in here. The mattes are very blendable, pigmented, really creamy, very nice, and the shimmers are really poppy, really special. I really like them. This could be maybe still in stock, so I'm gonna recommend it to you. And in the same order, I bought one of these thingies. This is a color switch or something like that, and you just get your brush in here. And I feel like one of these products could be very useful, because you can blend very easily the edges with the same brush that you just placed the shadow. So I think these ones are really great. And the last product in here is the Natasha Denona Pastel palette, and it looks kind of like this. I use it in a bunch of videos and on my Instagram as well, so if you want to see looks, I just have a bunch of them. I'm very happy that I own this palette. It's a really cute color story, and the quality here is pretty good, but I prefer the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles over this one. It's still a good palette, I still like it, but I would recommend the other one just because this is pretty expensive and I just prefer the other one. So I'm happy that I own both, but if you want only one, I do recommend the Lost in Los Angeles. Okay, so these were all the products. If you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.